Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new on this channel, this is Being Natural Space. You're welcome to this channel. Please don't fail to like and subscribe. So I want to show you behind the scene of how I always make my baby's hair. So if you're a mom out there, you're struggling to make your daughter's hair, just know that you are not alone. We are in this together. So, as much as toddlers, the way they do, we still need to be patient with them. So, I don't want to wash her hair. This cornrow, she carried it for a week plus. So, I just apply oil to detangle the hair. Oil is much more easier since I'm not washing the hair. But if you're washing the hair, you can apply your detangler spray. So, after losing this part, I twisted it. And lo and below, this girl, she woke up. My baby woke up and at this point we can't even do anything again. One thing about her, once she's awake, you can't make her hair. So I fed her and she's so full, but she still wants to like suck, and I don't want to give her breast for now because she's still full. I don't want her to throw up. And again, one thing about children, once you feed them and you give them breast milk, once you're not around, they will, or anybody that feed them, it will be a struggle because they're already used to you feeding them and giving them breast milk. So I don't want to do that. I want to wait for some other minutes before. You can see the way she's pulling my clothes with her mouth. Yes, she's 10 months old and I want to do another new style. And this is Sunday. I want her to take a new look to school on Monday. Yes, she's cooperating, and all the same, we are still pushing it. So I started losing the hair. Let's say it goes. At this point, she just wants to know what I'm doing. As I'm touching the hair, she wants to grab everything. Just me myself, I'm tired. So toddlers are toddlers. You cannot take this away from them. So any mom that is there that say, my child, this one, let me tell you, you need to be very patient because their energy is at another level. The way they think is different from the way we think. You can see the struggle. She's pushing my hand, pulling everything. I should not touch here. She just wants to stand. At this point, I just like, baby, now, can you cooperate? She cooperates. She just want me to give her breast milk. And I said, no, I'm not going to start what I can't finish. So right now, we're almost done with the losing of this hair. And she stood up and I started singing for her, baby shark, do, 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 baby shark, do, 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 do. You need to keep engaging them. Okay, that's okay. Now, dance, let's play. She started dancing for me and clapping for me. At this point, I knew that this hair, any style I have in mind, I need to like change it to a quick and fast type that we can just leave this place. And yeah, we got home. I could not even finish the hair. We did not finish losing the hair. So after some hours, we got home and I said, let me just do quick hairstyle for her. So I parted the hair and I wove one at the back, then use my cocoa rubber. So one thing about m- mom out there, just know that this cocoa rubber is something you need to have. You can wake up in the morning, your baby's hair looks so untidy. You can just quickly take this rubber and just session it. Anything you puff is a style. They are children. They don't need that serious hairstyle. I do see some parents that say, I want to make hairstyle that will last my daughter for 1 month, 2 months. Please don't do that. They are children. Once the hair is tight, they cannot talk. They will be cranky. You just see them crying. And sometimes people will say, let them get used to the pain because why did they come as a girl? It's part of it. No, they are children. Little thing can cause headache. Little thing can cause so many things. So as this hair is and their skull is very fragile, if I tell you that the part of her hair is still very soft. So I just did the cocoa rubber and I puffed the hair and I just did like a stylish hairstyle, something that will just make her face to come out. Can you see the way I just crisscrossed it? Even with this self, she still wants to know what is going on up there. Then I band it with the cocoa rubber. You need to be very patient. So the best time for you to make your children's hair, it is when they are sleeping. Once they are awake, they are always active. Once they are awake, but at this point, I could not wait for her to sleep because me myself, I'm so tired. I myself, I will make the hair when she's sleeping, and at the end of the day, we'll just sleep and wake up and time has gone, and there's no, we can't even be doing this in the morning when everybody's rushing to do school runs, you understand me? So I had to give her my phone so that she can wash cocoa melon and make the work easier for me. Even at this point, to even film this was a great struggle. So I just want to show you guys behind the scene. So when you see me post a perfect picture of making my daughter's hair, just know that this is a struggle. This video is unfiltered, unedited. The way I I recorded it, that is how I posted it. So just know that the struggle is real, but you don't give up. Don't cut your daughter's hair. If the hair is growing healthy, just keep doing the right thing, the right routine, applying the right product, moisturizing the hair, and keep going. Any protective hairstyle you want to do for them should not be more than 2 to 3 weeks. Take it out and make another hairstyle. So long they are under age, under one, their hairstyle should be every 2 weeks. Just puff the hair, you are good to go. Anything you puff will come out nice. But once they are above 2 to 3 years, you can now start introducing extensions to their hair. But right now, I won't recommend extension for their hair because they are babies. Even with this one, sometimes she drags it. She drags it once she feel like touching her hair and she says something strange. She just start pulling it. Imagine you now attaching extensions to the hair. Ah, they will pull the hair from the roots. So even beads, they don't need it for now. They don't need them for now until they are above 2 to 3 years. If you have watched this video to this stage, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be waiting to reply you. So this I had to add this colorful ribbon so that it can look colorful, so the hair will not just be there. And at this point, we're almost done with the hairstyle. So you can see me, and the cocoa rubber, I knotted it only twice. So nothing serious, nothing too serious. At the end of the day, the hair came out beautiful. And let me show you the full video of how the hair, full look of how the hair looks like. See, this baby, she's standing up inside her cast. She wants to stand up. What is she looking for? What is she looking for? So this is a final result of this. Look at the way she's smiling. Hmm? Once you want to start the hair, one good thing about her is that she doesn't cry. But she will always shake and shake and shake the hair. She's 10 months old here, and thank God we are done.